Cold open. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, the mighty anaconda lurks. Often misunderstood, these creatures are some of the most fascinating on planet Earth. Despite their fearsome reputation, anacondas are non-venomous constrictors. They squeeze their prey until it can no longer breathe. A method as efficient as it is terrifying. Did you know the green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world? It can grow up to 29 feet in length and weigh in at a hefty 250 pounds. But don't worry, they prefer a diet of wild pigs, deer, and even caimans, not humans. So next time you think of snakes, remember the anaconda. It's a creature of power, prowess, and an undeniable part of our world's natural wonder. Loop back to the start for more fascinating facts.